Some of the factors that made me choose Washburn were the small class sizes. I really liked how you can get personal with some of the teachers. They can know when you come into their office who you are. My name's Colton Kennedy. I grew up in Topeka, Kansas, and then graduated from Washburn University with a degree in radiologic technology. Another thing that drew me to Washburn was the opportunity to come here and play football with a scholarship. My freshman year at Washburn, I broke my back playing football, so my football career unfortunately ended there. I was an undecided student at the time, so really honing in, deciding what I wanted to do was what came next. I had a lot of interest in radiation because my father is a stage 4 cancer survivor. I thought being a radiation therapist would be cool because I saw how those people affected my dad's life when he had cancer, put a smile on his face, help him get through his days. I completed the X-ray program in 2 years, and from that point, radiation therapy was something I thought about, but I didn't want to go on anymore in school. I wanted to get out in the workforce. As a cardiovascular technologist at St. Francis, I assist cardiologists and radiologists in cardiovascular and peripheral disease procedures, both diagnostic and interventional. As a secondary job title, I also help with hemodynamics, monitoring the patient, as well as scrubbing in with the physicians to assist with the procedures. The hands-on experience in the radiology lab really prepares you for the real-world job. Your clinical hours, the things that you do in class, they're the exact same things that you're going to be doing once you enter the workforce. One of the best things about the professors in the X-ray program is that they have worked in a clinical setting before, so when they're teaching us things, we know we can have confidence in what they're telling us. I think Washburn has a great reputation in the healthcare field. People know that if you went to Washburn, if you got your degree here, that you're going to be well trained and know what you're doing. Almost every nurse and tech that I work with pretty much went to Washburn. You see familiar faces not only at St. Francis but also at Stormont. The thing that I love about my job is getting to help someone on their absolute worst day, whether it's someone or their family member. And just knowing that I play a role in helping that person make it to the end of the day is something that really brings joy to me. Something else I really enjoy about my job is the critical thinking aspect. No one case is the same. You have to think fast and work fast. That aspect is super exciting to me. Washburn actually made me enjoy learning. Before I got here and when I was in high school, I hated school. I didn't want anything to do with it. But when I got into Washburn, and specifically the X-ray program, the teachers really helped me realize that if I studied hard for 2 years, that I could leave here with a successful career. Join us at Washburn and be your best self.